to walk you through the process. Someone will go through to sign up for an account on Positive Prime. So first thing they want to do is go to positiveprime.com, and you'll see that they're able to view our website. And in the top right hand side, there'll be two big buttons, a login button and a sign up button. So if they go ahead and click the sign up button, they'll be taken straight over to this page where they can create an account. So if we take a look, you can see they have two options. They can either create an account directly with Google, or they can sign up with an email address. So if they have a Google account, they literally just click this button, and then all they have to do is sign in with their Google account and they'll automatically be signed up. Alternatively, if they click sign up with email, they'll get a form to fill out. So we can put in our email address here. So I could say Jack, I'll just use jack4@jackdonaldson.net. I'll put in my first name, and then I need to put in a password. And they'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So they just click the checkbox here and click agree. And then they optionally can tick this box to receive emails from us. So this is very important. Try and get people to tick this, because it means they'll get a whole bunch of onboarding emails that tell them how to use Positive Prime, so on and so forth. So once you click sign up, it will ask if you have a coupon code. So if you're an affiliate, you should have your referral code that you can give to them. So for example, if I put in Kim here, you will see it will now come up and say, Kim Serafini has referred you. This means you will get the Wisdom Series Life Lessons from Richard Branson session for free forever, as well as the other 45 sessions Kim has published. So with your affiliate code, when someone uses this, they will get access to your sessions for free forever. So if you're trying to, convince them to use it, that's the best way to do it. You'll see there's also a checkbox here that says, I wish to share my name and email with Kim. If they check this, that means you as the affiliate will be able to see their email address. And then all you need to do is click the create account button. And you should see that it goes ahead and sends a confirmation email to their account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my email address here on my phone and just look for the email that Positive Prime sent. And I can see the code that was sent to me was 42656. So I'm just going to click verify account now. And you can see that's verified my account. So all I need to do now is just log in. I think it was jack4@jackdonaldson.net. And I'll just put in my password. Now, you'll see when they first visit the site, they'll get this introductory instructions. So, this tells them what a session is, how they can explore the feed, and it just shows them the different options available on the website, and just gives them a bit of an overview. If they want to see this again at a later point, they can just press the Open Welcome Guide button in the bottom left, and this dialog will pop back up. We also have a tutorial website that you can click on here, which will open up our user manual on a new screen, which goes through, gives you an explanation on how to log in, how to play a session, how to personalize, etc. So if anyone's ever stuck, bottom left-hand side is where the instructions are on the screen. Now, you'll see that they automatically get a 7-day free trial, and it says that up the top. Welcome, enjoy your free trial, explore and personalize sessions. If they want to sign up for a membership, all they need to do is click this button here, and they'll be able to select between a monthly and a yearly plan. They also have the Discover page where they can go through and look at the different sessions that are available to them, and you can see all of these here. It's also important to note that as Kim Serafini was the one who referred this account, you as the affiliate, your name will appear here for the user, and they can see all of the sessions that that affiliate has published, because they'll get access to them for free forever. If we go back to the positivity feed and we go to play a session, you'll see that there is a new feature available. You'll see it right down the bottom here. It says make your sessions even more personalized, and you can click the Generate Vision button. So we have introduced a new tool that allows you to visualize whatever image you want and put yourself in a photo achieving your goals. So for example, if we provide the photo of Kim here and say, show me cooking in Italy, it will automatically generate a photo of Kim cooking in Italy. So all you have to do is upload your photo, describe your vision, and then you can get your image. So you'll have two options. You'll have the ability to either take a photo with your camera, or you can click the upload image to choose a file on your computer. So I'm just going to click this. It's important to make sure that the photo you choose of yourself just has you in it, don't have multiple people, it has good lighting, and it's very easy to see. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder and I'm just going to pick a picture of Kim I have here, which is going to upload. Once that is finished uploading, you should be able to click on it to select it, and then you can click continue to next step. So what you'll see here is you need to give a prompt for your vision, your goal, whether that is, cooking in Italy, running a marathon in New York, working out at the gym, or meditating on a beach. Think of what resonates with you and type in your goal here. I'm just going to use one of the pre-built ones. So I'm going to put in cooking in Italy here, and then I'm just going to click generate vision. So every time you want to generate an image, it will cost 1 credit. Each account has 5 credits for free during their trial period and as part of their membership. And you can purchase more credits for just 50 cents each if you need them. So I'm just going to click generate image, and you'll see that it takes 1 credit out of my account, and then it starts the image generation. So we can see that we've got a progress bar here with our prompt underneath that's going to go ahead and generate an image of yourself doing whatever your goal or vision is that you entered. So in my case, I uploaded a photo of Kim and I've said, show me Kim cooking in Italy. So we'll see how we go here. Once that's finished processing, it'll open up on our screen, and you can see that the image is now ready with our prompt, and we've got a picture of Kim here cooking in an Italian kitchen. If I wanted to, I could put in another vision here. For example, I could say, show me in Antarctica with penguins all around. And if I click generate, you'll see that it goes ahead, it uses one of those credits, and it's going to go process. Whilst I'm waiting for that, show me in a forest full of fireflies. And I'll send that one off as well. Just so we can play around with a couple of different images, see how they go. Giving a presentation at a conference, let's go make one of that as well. We can see that actually one of our images is done now, it's popped up. So show me in Antarctica with penguins. So you can see a photo of Kim here in Antarctica with penguins all around. If we wait and take a look at a couple of the others whilst they process, it should open up in a second. Here we go, we can see it now. So which one's this going to be? It's giving a presentation at a conference, and you can see a photo of Kim with lots of attendees in front of her speaking at her conference. And the last one is the image we asked of a forest full of fireflies, and we can see the fireflies all around. So if you run out of credits, you can just click this button in the bottom right and go to the purchase credits page, where you can go ahead and just purchase credits. You can also see your usage history on this page as well. So you can see we used it to generate 4 different images. That's all well and good. Now, the most important thing, if we open up our session, you'll see that we have a couple of more folders that were automatically created. We have photos of me, which is that photo we uploaded for generating those images. And also, if we look at the AI generated folder, we can see we have our AI generated images here that we can select and go ahead and play in our session. So I'm going to go ahead, open up our session here. just increase the speed so we can try and see a couple more examples. There you go, we can see the AI generated image of Kim at the conference showed up. We can see the one in Antarctica, we can see the one in Italy, and you'll see it'll be integrated into your Positive Prime sessions to help your clients achieve their goals. So once we close off our session, we can see we've started our streak for the day, and we can keep track of that at the top of our screen. So hopefully you all enjoy this new feature. Give it a go. I'm curious to see what images you manage to generate.